Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel where homemade dishes are made simple. On the menu we have Indomie, stir fry Indomie. This is made simple, easy, and of course delicious. I will quickly go through the ingredients. So, I have Indomie instant noodles. This is the pepper chicken flavor. Carrots, bell pepper, scallions, garlic, shrimps, aroma stock powder, oil, finger chilies. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Make sure your vegetables are washed and they are clean. So here I have scallions, which I will chop up. There are many ways to cut your scallions, so whatever works for you, go for it. Okay? So once I'm done, I will set it aside for later use. Next, I have bell pepper. As you can see, the seeds has already been removed. And what I'm doing right now is to cut it in small slices. Now, although the Indomie comes with the chili powder or chili pepper, I decided to use finger chilies. This is on the mild side. If you don't like chilies, that's fine. Once it's cut to my preference, I will set it aside for later use. So here I have garlic, which is a must for any recipe. So once this is cut to my preference, I will set it aside. And then I have carrots, which I will peel using my peeler. You can cut your carrots in any size or shape you desire, okay? At this point, all my veggies has been cut nicely. I will set it aside for later use. Now, let's start with the noodles. This noodles comes with seasoning and chili powder. Now, I have enjoyed this recipe without veggies, and it still tastes good. So for those who don't like veggies, you can still enjoy this recipe without veggies. Enjoy it with any protein of your choice. So, these noodles should be cooked for a few minutes. In case you are not sure how to cook your noodles, that's fine. It can be found at the back of the Indomie pack, okay? At this point, my water is boiled. I will pour it in the saucepan and start cooking the noodles. In a large skillet, I will go ahead and add my oil. Any oil of your choice can be used. Once the oil gets hot, I will go in with the shrimps. You want to stir fry the shrimps until they become pink. And then, for flavor, I added aroma stock powder. You can either stir fry your shrimps separately or stir fry everything all together like I am going to do. So in the same skillet, I just added garlic. This will be stir fried for a few minutes. You want your wok or skillet to be on high heat, okay? So the veggies will be stir-fried one after the other. For this recipe, any vegetables can be used. You can use more or less. It's all a personal preference. So as you can see, the noodles are cooked to my preference. I will strain the noodles. Once it's strained, I will go ahead and add it in the skillet, then mix until well combined. This recipe is budget friendly. All you need is your veggies and your protein of your choice. Be creative with your recipe. It can be enjoyed during lunch or dinner. So here I have the scallions, which will also go in the skillet, and then I will start to mix well. I will now add the seasoning and chili powder, which comes with the Indomie. You can add it in your noodles when preparing it or at this time, and then mix well. Your Indomie recipe is ready. It looks gorgeous and colorful, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Stay blessed.